What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Mike here. Welcome to MC9J. Yeah, welcome to week 6, guys. Crazy. Week 6, that is 1 month and 2 weeks. Week 6 turning $20 to $100,000. Why am I laughing? I think I've started another challenging stuff in my life, and I think this one is very relatable to a lot of people because a lot of people are where I am right now, and some of them have been trading for 2-3 years, and now they want to scale up. Just like me, I've been trading for like a year and 7 months now, or 6 months ish. Now it's just about scaling up. Now there are 3 things that involves in trading. First of all, learning a methodology, learning a strategy. Another thing is your psychology. Another thing is, I think there are just 2. Well, let me just put it like discipline. The psychology contains like fear and greed, overcoming all those challenges. Like now, what my keyword have been process over profits. Even me, I'm still trying to push myself 100% to follow that process over profits ideology, because I've gotten to a stage in my Forex journey that now, like there's this guy on TikTok, his name is Tactical Trader or something like that. He always talk about process over profits, how you need to be always looking at Forex as a business mindset, as always doing like profits, always going after the process instead of profits, doing the right thing. Now I've come to the conclusion that if you don't have a rule and if you don't have risk management, every other thing you've learned are just gonna be wasted. You understand me? They are just gonna be wasted. There's no point. If that, you can have 50% win rates, and if you have good risk management, you can get payouts. You can be successful. But if you don't, if you even have 90% win rates and if you don't have proper risk management, for days whereby that's what happened to me, that's what is happening to me that I've seen, like looking at my journals, all the videos I've uploaded so far from episode 1 to episode 5 right now, I've seen that what is consistently hitting me is risk management. There are some days I have crazy wins, there are some days I have losses, but my losses are not as crazy as my wins. But what used to bite me is because I over risked. Understand? And I'll be saying in my video that I'll be sticking to my risk management, and I need to congratulate myself because I got funded again. But for the whole week, I was just not really trading. When I mean not really trading, I was trading my personal account, small account, but in my funded account, I was risk cautious and just waiting for A+ setup. On Monday, I didn't trade. Now following my rules, which says that what, no news, no red folder news on Mondays, no trading. And if you watch that Monday this week, market just consolidates. So what am I trying to say? Having a trading plan, rule, having your proper risk management. I think if you mix both of them, normally Profem don't last in my hand in a week, but this Profem enjoyed itself throughout the week. Like somebody even commented and said 1 week, 1 Profem. Oh my God, it's funny, but it's the truth. 1 week, 1 Profem. But what am I trying to say, guys? Now, people that truly are very honest with themselves, I don't even need you to be honest. Like, I'm talking about myself here. I'm congratulating myself for scaling through this week. We didn't take any trade, like any important trade, you understand? So now let me explain. I've gotten funded, but I didn't get funded with the 5K account. I got funded with the 1K account. Now, if you notice, I've changed my broker. I'm using Funds for Traders right now. I've actually made a video whereby I explain how to get funded. I titled it the cheapest prop firm to get. You can actually get a prop firm, $500 prop firm for $5. And you can scale up with that, and they have like 1 phase, 2 phase, 3 phase. I've actually made a video. You can check that. The link of that video will be in the description box, or you can check it in my channel in the video list. So I've made the video how to get the prop firm. So far I've checked everything about the prop firm. They are from Netherlands. They pay. Everything is working fine. They are new in the industry, so let's put our heads on ground. You know what's going on in our industry. Prop firm can pop up today and go out tomorrow, but I've checked their authenticity. They even have a YouTube channel, and it's great. So I bought their 1K account, their 3-phase 1K account for $10, and I deposited the remaining $10 into my personal account. Now, let's be honest with ourselves. If I was trading my personal account, I would have made some money. Like that USD CPI that I caught, it was one of them. Like I would have turned $10 to almost $100 because I know, like, you see that the momentum of that trade was crazy. But the program I was using then, it said they don't allow news trading, or they said you have to enter 5 minutes, all those kind of trash. This new program I'm using does not have that, so you can use the description below to get your program right now. Like, there's news trading allowed, no minimum trading days, and a lot of things. You can check it out. The link will be in the description below. So what am I trying to say? I've splitted the $20 into two. Funded $10 in my personal account and $10 in profit. Now I'm growing both of them to 100K. So the deal is pass profit, get payouts, fund accounts. Like, be keeping the money that I'm withdrawing, you understand, from the funded accounts. Then the 10K account, I'll only be trading CPIs for that trade. Other normal days, I'm not going to be trading. And what I'm going to be using is $10. Even though you use $1, $1 is 10% risk. So why not use $5? So the way I've drawn it, look at the screenshot here. I'm going to be using 50% risk for each trade in my small account, my $10 account. And as we scale, maybe when we get to $1,000, we'll reduce the risk percent. But for now, I want to make my first $1,000. I've not actually made my first $1,000, guys. I've made $100. I've made $100. I've made 50, 60, 70 here and there, you understand? But I've not made $1,000. So I derived a plan whereby I think if I go in 7 or 6 steps, I will get to my $1,000 payout, which is, I deposit $10 now. If the next CPI trade, I'm going to use 50% of the account. That's $5 to trade. Target 1 to 4 hours. That is make $20. Then when I make that one, I'll withdraw my deposits. Next trade again, I use 50%. That is $10. Remaining $10. 1 to 4 hours. That I make what, $40. Then I'll withdraw what, my $20. So I've been able to derive a system whereby I'm earning, and as I'm growing the account, and I'm also earning. Because one thing about profit that I've noticed is what is pushing all of us to, like, let's pass is because we want to get the payouts, obviously. But you know, you have to pass phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, all those kind of thing, and you have to trade some, like this profile I'm using. After you have passed, you have to trade for at least minimum of 30 days before you get a payout and stuff like that. So it's always pushing us to always over risk, always want to do it in one day and all this kind of stuff. But I want to have a mentality of, okay, good, let's take our time, but we trade A+ setup, and when we make money, we withdraw something. That will give us peace of mind. That will give us, like, we'll be anticipating to wait for more high probability setup. Because if you go in this setup and you make money and you withdraw something from it, at least you'll be happy and your mind will be at rest. So that's what I'm trying to say. Like, everybody will have their ways of navigating to become a Forex trader. My way is, I've seen that if I pay myself, sometimes when I flip account, when I pay myself, I feel good. And it's encouraged me more to do the right things. Understand? So I've split the $10 into 2 accounts, and now I'm growing the $10 account, and I'm growing my prop firm, which I bought for $10, which is the $1,000 prop firm. So as I'm growing in that one, and I'm growing here, so, and I've explained how I'm going to be growing my $10 account. So that's really that on that. So guys, the truth is, if you want to move, like, I used to journal. I've been journaling, like, things I've been hearing from successful traders. Number 1, journal. Number 2, rules. Number 3, risk management. Those 3 things are the main body, the foundation, the bedrock of trading. And I've started implementing them right now. Yes, you will not see the success all of a sudden, but gradually, we will get there. Understand, guys? So risk management, rules. What did I mean by rules? I'm only to trade this time. I'm only going to wait for my A+ setup. I'm only going to trade my ATM setup. I'm only going to be disciplined. No news day, no trading. If no trading, Risk management for my funded account, 1% risk. If it's CPI, 2% risk. If I lose, go down, reduce the risks. Like that. Understand? Proper risk management. Guys, even me, I'm still subconsciously telling myself over and over again, you have to calm down. Yes, you want to quit 9 to 5. Yes, you want to change your life all of a sudden. But for all of us that are coming from like poor background for say, we're not poor in the name of Jesus, but for some of us coming from all those low class levels and want to use Forex to change our life, yes, there's always this big dream. A lot of us do dream too big and we bring the dream to our Forex trade. No, dream. But when you come to Forex, calm down. Know the amount of capital you are trading. Know what you are looking for in the market. You must understand yourself. You must understand your trading system. Then from there, step by step, gradually, that's how we grow. Understand, guys? That's how we grow. In Forex trading, it's not about who run fast. It's about, are you consistent with what you are doing? You understand? The consistency. It's not about being lucky. You understand? It's about, can I repeat what I do today? Can I repeat it the next day? Can I repeat it the next month? Understand? And that's how you become much better. So guys, that's my rant for episode 6 of turning $20 to $100,000. This week we didn't do anything significant. So till next week, I think my next trading day is 31st of this month, which is the last day of this month, AUD CPI. So that's what I'm waiting for. And you guys know, for like over 4 months plus now, we've not lost CPI. Come on. ICT said it's a lock, but I don't agree with him. I think it's just like a father who is trying to avoid us from entering all those impact news. But some of us are goats in the market and we found a way around it. Let me just complete my 6 months of non-losing from CPI. Then I can stand the pit and say, yes, I have found a strategy. To me, I know I found a strategy, but to the public, let's complete 6 months of it. Check my YouTube shorts, check my YouTube videos. Like, I upload it, I catch these things. CPI is my meal. Also, guys, if you want to know my strategy, I have a membership that, I don't know, it's just a 1,000 naira. It's not up to $1. You guys can check it out if you want to check it. And you guys, we have free access to my comments. Like, if you comment on my YouTube channel, you will have a badge with it and stuff like that. Some exciting things, you guys can check it out. I just say, let me do it. Let me just know how it is. So, and you guys give me feedback on it. And also, I have free videos where I explain my strategy. You guys should check that videos. Check the video. People that are checking it, they are very excited and they are asking me how to navigate around it. So that's that on that, guys. See you in week 6. Week 6 is gonna be great. I can feel it. It's gonna be great. That's that on that. This journey continues. We don't have any time limit to it. We are just finding way. Like, I'm reading this book because they call it The Richest Man in Babylon. So I read a part. It said when there's determination, when there's determination, there's always a way out. You understand? Now is my determination to turn $20 to $100,000. I've seen people do it online, although they are more experienced than me, but I'm not rushing it. I will get it eventually. Understand? It's the dream. Just the same way there was a time 1,000, being a YouTuber of 1,000 subscribers was so big for me. I finally crushed it in 8 months. This is just what, 1 month and 2 weeks. Let's keep going. Journal, learn from your mistake, upgrade, like that. We'll get there, guys. We'll get there eventually. So that's that on guys. I love you guys. Do well to like my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Peace out.